Well, while I continue to wait to finish up my long block, uh, I'm waiting on the break-in oil. I want to go ahead and pour that in the valley and all over the rockers and the heads and everything before I button it all up with valve covers and intake manifold. So while I'm waiting for that, I thought, well, what else could I do? Oh, there's tons. There's tons that need done. I could do this. So my fender aprons, that's just completely rotten. So I need to fix this piece and then put the fender apron extensions on. I should clean up all of these welds from when I fixed the lower cowl. This side's not even ground down yet. I've got the other side that I did grind down, but didn't treat anything. And so I've got rust that needs cleaned up. And then, of course, I have to fix this as well and put the extension on that as well before I can even put the splash guards and fenders on. But again, I'm still waiting on motor situation because it's not in there. Boy, I tell you what, the boxes are piling up. Anyway, that's enough of that. I thought, hey, what could I do? Well, maybe I could put the rear bumper on, you know? And then, I was looking at it, and of course, I'm missing one of the bolts there, or nuts, that is. So I'm gonna have to weld in a nut right there. I went to the old farm store, picked up some hardware, washers and bolts and whatnot. There was one original bolt still back there. So I got that and 3 more. That is going to go in that little hole. Here we go. Well, the nut actually fits perfectly through there. However, the points on the nut are too tall. I'd like to get this flush with the actual bracket. Actually, this sticks out a little bit proud of the bracket. So I'd like to get that through there. So I'm going to have to knock those corners off, top and bottom. So I can slide that in, get that cleaned up a little bit, zip, 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 and we're on our way. I just took just the edge off there. Just taking the edge off. Let's see. How are we? Oh, look at that. It's perfect. Oh, yeah. That's just the way I wanted it. Hold on. Is it? Yeah. Oh, heck yeah. All right, let's clean this up a little bit. Okay. Oh, come on now. Oh, now quit. Can you stay? You stayed a second ago. Can you stay again? Maybe? Nope. Maybe? I don't know. All right. Well, let's get the old welder fired up. All right, let's see if I can do this without burning myself. Oh, good. There we go. I had to get all new lock cylinders for the whole car. This is the only one I've actually installed so far. How about that? Okay. Let's see what's going on with this thing. Oh boy. Okay. How hot is the weld? It's still a little warm. I'm sure it'll be fine. Maybe. Oh boy. Let's try to get it in the ballpark. Try to get it somewhere in the vicinity, perhaps. Where's the holes for this sucker? All right, this one. There we go. This one. Will you go in there? Why is it such an angle? What? Are you telling me a washer won't even fit right there? What did they do? Let's get one in. Then we can play with it. Okay, one in. Let's get it. Let's see if we can get another in. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, come on now. Now I gotta get a wrench. Now I gotta get a wrench. Why are these so long? The real question is this thing even gonna fit right? Am I gonna have to really play around with this thing to get it to fit? I don't know. Well, it could be worse. Could be better. Oh my. Oh my. That's terrible. That's terrible. Is that for real? There. Am I a little more centered? Yeah, it's a little better. Can you tell? Can you even tell? Yeah, it's a little better. You know what? It's good enough for who it's for. I mean, it is just me after all. Let's snug that one down a smidge. Or a lot. Oh my, that's bent so far up in there. Oh, we gotta do some bending on this thing. That bracket is. Whoa, that is way. Yeah, that bracket needs bent. Bent, I tell you. This thing been wrecked? Probably. Wowzers. Well, I mean, it could be worse. I think it might be able to be worse. I'm not entirely sure. Can I even get this one started? Why did I tighten them down? You might be asking. Before I got all of them in. That would be a great question. Why would a guy do that? Has that already got a washer on there? I believe it does. Well, that washer is going to be a problem because we're nowhere even near. I welded that nut in there and that's not even going to be helpful. Oh my gosh. Where's my light? Oh my. Not even close. Is that a washer or a rubber washer? Screwdriver. Need a screwdriver. I need an assistant. So the washer that was back there, which I don't know if that's an original washer, it was so not lined up on the hole. Oh yeah, that's got to come this way. Oh, there it is. Huh. Let's see. I don't know if you even care to see this, but so that's where the washer was kind of glued, not even close to being centered on where the hole was. So yeah, now we're at least getting somewhere here. Yeah, I think it'll let me. I mean, going from the 65 Thunderbird to this Mustang, in terms of rear bumper, I mean, 4 bolts, really. Like the Thunderbird, both front and rear bumpers. Like it's, wow. I mean, it's something. They weren't messing around with the bulk that they put into the Thunderbird bumpers, front and rear. Can I see? Can you see? Can anyone see? Oh, there it is. I can see it. It's right here. That's where it is. Now the problem is that seems so low and they've got so much junk on this thing because I think they did. Oh, are you kidding? Oh boy. What did I just find? What did I just find? Oh, okay, hey. Now let's not weld this on. Let's Bondo it on. Yeah. Let's just Bondo and seam seal it. That would be the smartest. That'd be the smartest thing we could do. Yeah. Perfect. Well, let's just forget about that for the time being. And let me just try to get this. Can I get that bolt started? I don't even know. I don't think I can put a washer on it. At least not without cutting a flat spot on it. Can I? I don't think I can even get a wrench on that thing. That is sticking up so high right there. Is that flashing? Did they use? Oh boy, yeah, that's solid. That is a solid repair, my friends. Yep. Oh, that's. Oh yeah. Oh my. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. That's brilliant. That's what that is. That is a brilliant repair right there. Yep. Yeah, I'm gonna have to take a look at that at some point. I got enough to get it started. Now, can I get a socket on it? Of course not. There's not enough room. No. This is gonna take some doing. Extension might get the head of the ratchet far enough back that I can get the. Oh, come on now. Come on. Lift and rotate. There we go. Lift and rotate. We're getting somewhere. I mean, this will be the first time that actually the bumper, I take that back. The bumper was attached when I brought the car home. But it was hanging. This side was just hanging. I'm pretty sure. I'd have to go back and look at the video. Now, the question is, are we, oh, we're too far now. Oh, now we're too far. Oh my gosh. Tell me when it's centered. Is it centered? Can you, I can't tell. Can you tell? Is it centered at least close? Is it in the ballpark? Are we even? Okay, well, it's going to have to be close. How about, oh boy, that makes me a little concerned. The flippity dippity doppity here. Yep. Well, it's not great. But is it on? Yes. This needs bent. This whole corner bottom needs to go in, top needs to come out. It needs twisted. It needs an Oliver twist. I don't know if I can do that while it's on the car, or if I need to remove it. Can I get some leverages without cutting my fingers on the... Or it could just be the fact that they screwed this quarter up terribly bad, which is probably more likely the case. I mean, hey, I didn't have a bumper before on there. Let's get the full effect. Let's just see what's going on here. I mean, is the key out? Okay. Whew. Thought I was gonna lock myself out. Oh yeah. I mean, look at that. It's got a shiny thing on the back. Besides the gas cap. Look at that. Hey, we're getting there. I know this was terrible. I just wanted to get a bumper on. A lot of struggles. I don't even know if I'm in frame right now. So, hey, just keep checking back in and you'll see all sorts of stuff. I mean, the long block's going to be finished soon. I got to change out bell housings on the transmission. Just, there's a lot of stuff. I painted my valve covers. I cleaned those up. You'll see those when they go on the long block. So those turned out nice. Thanks for coming around. Keep checking back.